Hello! In this video, we will focus on digital storytelling and how cultural organizations can transform their activities into meaningful narratives. Very often, communication in the cultural sector is limited to promotion, announcing dates, publishing posters, or sharing brief descriptions of events. However, digital storytelling goes beyond promotion. It's about telling the story behind the event. Every cultural activity has a narrative dimension. There's a reason why it was created, people who are involved, a process that develops over time, and an impact on the community. Digital storytelling helps us structure and communicate this element in a clear and engaging way. A good digital story usually includes 4 key components: the context, the people, the process, and the impact. First, we explain why the initiative exists. Second, we highlight who is involved. Third, we show how the activity develops. And finally, we reflect on what changes or results it produces. Digital storytelling can have different forms. It can be linear, such as a short video or a written narrative, or it can be interactive, such as a timeline or a digital map that allows users to explore content step by step. The important aspect is coherence. The story should be structured, authentic, and adapted to the intended audience. It should not overload users with information, but guide them through a meaningful experience. In the context of this project, we encourage cultural organizers to think like storytellers. Instead of asking, how do we promote our event? We suggest asking, what is the story we want to share and how can digital tools help us tell it effectively? Digital storytelling allows cultural organizations not only to communicate activities, but to build identity, strengthen visibility, and create deeper connections with their audiences. Thanks for watching.